Probably the biggest 190 meet ever. Doing a little cruise. Look at the lineup here. It's freaking insane. I've never seen this many old Benzes together. Yesterday we were at the biggest 190 meet, I think, in the entire United States. I don't think the entire world, because Germany definitely does do it better than us. But that was pretty cool. I've never seen that many together. Today we are going to Cars and Coffee LA. I'm rolling with Chris. He just got this SEC coupe, really cool car. We'll meet up with a couple of friends there. Should be a good time because it is a Mercedes feature, so there should be a lot of cars there. up in Angeles Crest Highway, just like last year, except this year we're in the 124. It was definitely more fun last year taking the Brabus and the E60. They're just more capable cars. This car, being a cabriolet, is not a really good handling car, especially up in the mountains. It actually does hold its temperature pretty well now that I got a new fan clutch in here. Going uphill with the AC on, did not go over 100, which is fantastic. Right now I'm just letting it cool off. Right now I got the AC on max blasting, and we'll see. It got up to that 100-degree mark right there, and it stayed there, it didn't go up, which is great, especially going uphill with the AC on. I'm really happy with how the fan clutch really changed this car in that sense. I popped the hood to help it cool off a little bit quicker. So yeah, the last month, probably 45 days, it's been jam-packed with Mercedes specific events, which is great. I think this is pretty much the end of it. Today was Cars and Coffee LA, the Mercedes feature. It wasn't as big as last year or the previous years, but it's still a great turnout. There's a lot of cars we saw, a lot of familiar faces. But yeah, this year I'm up in Angeles Crest solo. So this weekend was pretty cool. We got to see a bunch of 190s on Saturday and a full Mercedes feature of Cars and Coffee LA. I think that was the final event really for at least the summer. I don't think there'll be anything more Mercedes focused. The next up is Monterey Car Week in August. I don't think I'll be going, but if you're in the area, you should check it out. And of course, if there's anything else by the end of the year, I'll go to it. That was pretty jam-packed. That was a good time. Love to do it more often.